Bree, back with another video. Today I will be unboxing two different subscription boxes. I have FabFitFun here from the spring one, and I also have a Boxycharm box. So I'm gonna start with the Boxycharm box. It's smaller than normally, so let's see what's inside. Again, as always, it says Hello Charmers. And it's, so let's open it up and see what it says. It gives me some information on something that's in there. This says Boxycharm Festive Vibes. And it gives information on each of the products, so I will be putting that information in the description below so that everybody can know about that, of course, as I always do. And if I have any codes, I think I got a couple codes here, I will put those as well. First thing I come across is these. They're Illuminati Gel Paint Electric Pink and Electric Blue. So I'm going to look at this and see what that is about. Electrify your look with this gel paint in electric pink and electric blue. Wing it out for a dramatic look or pop it in the inner corners of your eyes for a bold look. So it's to add some boldness whenever you decide you want to be bold one day. Next, we have lavish brushes. So I'm going to open these up. I like the little case they come in. These are really pretty, different colors. They're different little brushes. I like this one. It's, I guess, for your eyebrows because it has this on one side. It has this on the other side if I don't drop it. And this one's nice and little. Let's see what other ones we have in here. Looks like all for your eyes. This is your bigger one. I like the colors on the tips. I think it adds a little special effect to them. And for these lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection, it's cruelty-free makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you need to achieve an everyday or dramatic look. Their manufacturer price is $30 for them. For these that we just showed, the manufacturer price was $42 for them. So I'm going to keep going and see what else we have in this box. Let's see. Next, I found this. It is by Pure. It's Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Let's open that up. I really like the outside look of it. It looks like a mask, so it reminds me of Mardi Gras and all down that way. Ooh, I really like this. I want to show everybody first. It has a mirror on it, which is nice, and it's got your eyeshadows in it, and then it has all these on this side, and I really like it. It's really pretty colors. It says, unveil your true beauty with this 10-piece face palette that is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into your face and eyelids for a look you'll totally adore. Make a bold statement with a shimmery face powder and 6 buttery eyeshadows. So let's see if I can swatch some things for you. I'm going to swatch Hidden Secret. It's a really bright and bold color. It's really pretty though. I really like it. Let's try to swatch some others over here. I'm going to swatch Showtime. For being one that has glitter in it, I really think it, I don't know if you can see the shimmer in it, but it actually swatched pretty well, which is not always easy when I find glitters. A lot of times I do not swatch well, and that one did. I'm going to also try Mask Off, which is like a goldish color. Yeah, this one swatches really well as well. So it is that one there, it's got a gold tint. It's very shimmery. Again, those are the colors. I really like them. And this is not on here. So let's keep going. I don't know how much that one is. I will look that one up because I do not see that on our list, which is really weird because they have all the other products on there. Next is Zoeva Caramel Mulligan. If I'm saying that right, I'm probably saying it wrong, so please feel free to correct me in the comments. This is what it looks like on the outside. Ooh, this one has also got a lot of pretty eyeshadow colors. So, I will try Edible Gem. And Aftertaste. Those are pretty. They're darker colors compared to what we were just doing, but they do go on pretty well. I will say that the glitter was a little bit harder to put on than the pure ones that I did just put on. But again, I do think those are really nice and they're pretty and easy to carry around. Those are $28 value. Next, we have the Pore Perfections. So, this is a $32 value. I know it's on almost every subscription box that you get. There's always Pore Perfections. That's again in there. And then Iconic London Illuminator is also in here, and that's a $41 value. This concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply onto your on its own for a super highlighted glow. Every drop of the super concentrated shimmer elixir glides on smoothly to bestow an ultra-blendable glow. And so that's what that looks like. I will definitely be trying that later. And I also found one more brush in here. I don't know why that was there, but that was there. And I have some that talks about the makeup eraser. So this is all that was in this box, which was, of course, was a Boxycharm box. So I'm going to push all that to the side, and we are going to continue on to the FabFitFun Box. So this is the spring box of FabFitFun for 2020. I love the box. It's very pretty, and I love butterflies, so it's really cool to have those on there. Makes you happy to open this box. So opening the box, this is what we see. Again, I like the inside of the box. It makes me want to smile, and that's good. It comes with its own little like magazine. It gives some tips in it throughout. And then it says, share to win, hashtag FabFitFun. I'm opening. Ooh, I'm excited for this. First, we have Amber Secrets. It looks like a little necklace. It's really cute. I'll put it up closer so everybody can see. Next, we have some silicone straws. This is getting to be big, so that's good to always have some on hand. They are all different colors and come with a cleaning brush for them and a holder. So that's really cute. It says all fun, no fuss. Easy to clean, easy to use, great thing to have. Next, we have Winky Luxe Rainbow Balm. That's what it looks like in the packaging. This is it outside of its packaging. It's a gold little thing. And it is literally rainbow. And so it's got it's pH matching technology, universally flattering cherry shade, pink shade, can be used on lips and cheeks, nourishes lips, and has a pineapple flavor. Next up we have Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep saver for better nights and brighter mornings. It's by This Works. So that's good to try. It's something that would help hopefully to make you look brighter in the morning and ready for the day, which is always good to have something like that. Next up we have something that is wrapped up. So I will be taking my little scissors and unwrapping. It says this is a mystery choice item. So what is our mystery choice item? It smells good, whatever it is. IGK NYC MIA LA Expensive is what it's called. It's a Alma Oil High Shine Top Coat. It smells really good, not even opening it, just smelling from, ooh, it smells really good. This is vegan, cruelty and gluten-free, mineral oil free, paraben and sulfate free, and shower gloss treatment to protect and enhance color and shine. If you have dull color treated hair, frizz or dryness, you want sleek, soft, high shine hair, enhanced color dimensions. Use it 1 to 2 times a week in place of your conditioner. Apply mid-length to ends and shower. Wait 1 to 3 minutes before rinsing. So that is good. It can help bring back more of your color that you get when you get highlights. Really good for right now while you cannot go to your hairstylist and get your highlights. This is what we need, women. And next up, we have by Area Beauty. It is a Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. So I'm gonna try to open it. I really like how they packaged it. A cute little bag. I love bags like this. Their mother thinks I'm crazy, but I do. So this is really chrome looking. It's a good paddle brush. Hopefully it will be good for detangling your hair, especially after getting out of the shower. And then, see a couple more things in here. I'm trying to get all the little things off of the paper things off. This is by Donni. And it's kind of just like it's kind of like a little jacket that would be nice to put on for the cool mornings, for springtime or even going into summer as it's May now. It's got little sleeves on it, but it's really lightweight, so it feels good, and it's one size fits all. But it feels nice. Let's see. We got one last item in here. This is a packing cubes. I love packing cubes. I actually just ordered more packing cubes because we went on a cruise into Disney in December, and I use packing cubes for all my items, and I could pack so much more because we were gone for a little over a week, so I wanted to pack a lot of different things so I could have cute things for the cruise and cute things for Disney. And with the packing cubes, I was able to have everything I needed and know exactly where everything was because each cube I could pack how I wanted. So this comes with a small, medium, and large one. It's got 3 pieces. And look how cute they are. I think they're adorable. They'd be cute inside your bag and make your bag look brighter inside. And fun for any travels that you have in the future. As of right now, we can't really travel too much with COVID, so it gives us a good thing to think about for the future. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will try to put all the information for all the items in the description below with prices if I can find them. Please do not forget to subscribe and, of course, hit the like button. Thanks.